Hello, this is Will Bridges from your team here at Trade House Funds. And in this video, I want to go over, the second email that you get once you purchase your challenge. And it will be your details to log into the trader dashboard, follow your own progress, track your own results. And I'm going to show you how to get in, how to change your password, because you're probably going to want to do that pretty early in the game. But the email itself is easy to find if you search for support@tradehousefunds.com. We don't send a ton of emails from there, so you should find these almost immediately if you do that. And my login and password is here. I did blur out the password so you can't see that. It's irrelevant anyways. I've already changed it regardless. But if you click on this dashboard login and you're already logged in and you've already done this before, it will take you straight to your dashboard. If you are not logged in, then you'll have to go to our website, and I'll show that here. I'll just pull up the website here, and I'm just going to bring up a fresh window after I copy this. I don't need to copy this password. Let's just go to a fresh window. I'm going to go to tradehousefunds.com, and then I'm going to click on Trader Login up top right. And now we're on the login page. So what I'm going to do is type in my email address that I used to purchase my challenge and my password. And once I do that, I'll click log in here. And before I get to showing you guys around and what all the stuff is in the dashboard itself, if I click on profile, this is where I would go to change my password. You click this blue button here, and that's really it. Pretty straightforward. This is where all of your accounts will live also. Your information. But if I click change password, current password is above. So if I copied this from the email that I just got, I paste it there. I put in whatever new password I want twice to confirm I actually meant to do that. And you can look at those if you want to see what it is changed to, but that's how you change your password. So let's get back over to the dashboard. And on the dashboard, once I start trading in this, my progress or, lack thereof might be shown right here. And the name of the game is to take the blue line and rip the tape on life up at green. You don't want to go to McDonald's with the blue line and hit the yellow or the red line. The yellow line is your daily loss limit, which will be 5% of your total equity. That will get calculated every day. So if you lose $500 today, let's just say your loss limit will be different tomorrow, and depending on if your account equity is higher than $100,000, it could still actually be higher than $5,000. So keep that in mind. You just don't want the lines to touch, and that really just comes down to minimizing your losses. We're talking about losing $5,000 in a day to hit this daily loss limit. That's a pretty bad day. Same thing goes for the maximum losses. I do have $6,000 of breathing room in this account. If I hit 10,000 in gains, I move on to the live account, and that's where I might be able to go and make withdrawals. But before I can make withdrawals, I do have to submit my details in my profile that we looked at before so I can be verified. And that's really, know your customer. If you have any issues with that, I think it's usually pretty straightforward for most people. You have to submit your ID, and a utility bill is most common, maybe a bank statement. But the broker needs to know what country that you're in. We need to know what country that you're in so that the government knows you pay taxes and we can continue to do this business together. I know there's not a lot of guarantees in life, but the government taking their part is one of them. So rules, if you want to get in depth on those are all on our website, but they're also on this page here. If you want to make a withdrawal, that is something that you do have to be in a live account to do. The challenge accounts do not offer withdrawals. Well, for obvious reasons, it is a challenge account so that you can get access to, $100,000 in this case. The leaderboard, this will be for trading competitions if you want to come and see where you stand in a trading competition. And we'll be making announcements for those as they come up. Competitions down here as well, that's the same kind of thing. If you do want to partner with us, there is a portal for you to do that. So if you belong to a trading group, or maybe you just have your own trading business and maybe you want to talk about helping your clients get Trade House Funds accounts, or maybe you have a product or service you can help our traders with. Downloads is a page where you can go and get MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, so you don't necessarily have to get it from an email you got from us. If you can't get into your email or some other crazy thing happened, then you can come here and download MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 directly from here. On the dashboard itself, just to give you an idea of what else it's going to cover, aside from this chart up top, I want to make sure that I don't leave anything out down here. You do have statistics, okay? Statistics of trading, whatever you want to call them. But your win rate, how much equity, previous day equity. So if you made money the last 5 days or lost it, those days will be recorded over here on the right. But profit factor, average win, trade history, you can search, really by symbol as well. So you can see if you're winning or losing on gold or silver or whatever throughout the life of your account. Find out what you're good at, maybe what you're not good at. But all this stuff is useful, and I think something you definitely want to know your way around and that it exists. So I hope you got something from this video. If you have any questions or comments, then by all means, leave one under the video. And if you're looking for some other specific content that you haven't seen on our channel yet, then please let us know. Closed mouths don't get fed. We're also going to be live on this channel regularly, and we'll do Q&A for the first 10 or 15 minutes of all those live sessions. So again, I'm Will Bridges from your team here at Trade House Funds. You have a great day. Trade happy, be good, or be good at it. Take care.